Good morning, everybody. Wednesday, almost Thanksgiving. Hope everybody's having a good day today. I was just trying out this camera outside, see what's going on. I'm actually come outside to see if the mail was around. I need to put a letter in my in my mom's mailbox. I'm at my mom. Some kind of machine running over in there somewhere. I don't know what it is. Hope everybody is getting ready for Thanksgiving. Hope y'all are enjoying the pretty weather if it's nice where you're at. I know it's a little nippy right now here, but it's just look like 11 o'clock. That big house there on the hill above my mom's, that one right there, if I can point this one, there's a big turnaround up there, like a circle on that road. I used to talk on the CB radio, and I used to go up there and sit. Oh, that's that leaf or sweeper I heard a while ago. There it goes, picking up trash off the road, vacuum cleaner. But back to that house up there, I used to go up there and sit and talk on the CB when I lived here with my mom and stepdad when I was younger. This all used to be just a big field. And on this lot right here, it was a yellow house, like a 2-story yellow house. It was apartments, and there was an office in it for the office for some apartments out the road here where they come and paid rent and stuff and all that and collected rent. But about all I know about that. But now it's full of houses. You can see them, they're everywhere up there. We'll walk out here and check the mail. I'll be back in a little bit. Good morning, little tiny bug. Sleepy? You sleep, Tiny? He was sitting there gardening, well, looking out the window. Tiny. Tiny. What are you doing? You can't guard the house sitting there asleep, buddy. You say hi? Say hi to everybody. You don't want to talk to someone? My buddy? He was laying there looking out the door at space in the road in front of the house. And Lucky, I'm trying to move slow to keep from wiggling this camera. He's turned upside down. Boy, if that ain't something, I'll tell you what. That there's worth 100 likes on the video. My goodness. Lucky you something, buddy. I'm glad I got you like that. I had a hard day today like that, I guess. I had another clip of him and I had to redo it because I erased it. I hit the wrong video clip and I erased it there a while ago. I thought I had to get him again. That's the reason I had to get Tiny up. What you doing, boy, now? Huh? What you doing? Come here. Hey. What you doing? Huh? Did I bother your nap? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to bother your nap. Big boy. I'm gonna tell everybody hi. Get turned back up, but lucky. Hey boy. Hi. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I got my hand for him to be spaced and it turned color or went dark for a minute where the camera picked my hand up. Hey Tiny, back on you. Anyway, I'll be back in a little while. Bye now. Got Lucky up checking everything out now. Hey Lucky, what you doing, boy? Lucky? Uh-oh. Oh, he started wagging his tail at me. I thought he seen something. Know what he's wanting. He's heading back to his spot. And this is what he does when he wants out. Usually he gets back there at the back door closer. You got water? Yeah. Sorry. I was checking his water bowl since he was standing there. What do you want, Lucky? What do you want? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm sorry I'm talking low. My mom's still asleep and I didn't want to bother. Like I said, she sat with that couple last night and she's napping right now and I don't want to wake her up. Tiny, what do you think about it? Yeah, I guess I'll see if the neighbors have got their puppies out. If they don't, I'll let these two out for a little bit. Lucky likes to argue through the fence with Sarge, so kindly keep an eye on them if they get out together at the same time. Y'all kissing and making up, or what's going on here? Oh, you getting him a bath? Huh. I'll be back. I don't know what they're up to. Kissing and making up, I guess. Hey, boy. I'm coming. I'll be right there. I might take the camera out and let them mess around for a minute or two. I'll be back. Out here now with them, see how they can do. I can talk a little louder now. I'm outside. Like I said in there earlier, I was trying to be a little quieter because my mom was still asleep or napping or whatever. Hey, boy. Doing your thing, huh? Checking everything out. Ain't been long since they was out over there and they go sniff the fence and the fence line where they Sarge runs up and down the fence. The sun kind of hit me in the screen there. I was trying to keep up with him. I don't know where Tiny went. She done took off. There he is. Going in the bushes, Tiny. Hey, boy. Keep up with you, wiggle worm. I'm going to wipe that screen off. I'll be right back. What you gonna think about it, Tiny? You like it outside? It's warming up a little now, which I was on the first part of the video where I was kind of in the shade around there. And it was cool, which out in the sun right now it feels pretty warm. You lucky a little privacy there while he was washing the fence. Now he's back to sniffing around. Uh-oh. What is it, boy? Somebody running a tool or something down the road. He must have heard that. Uh-oh. I hear Sarge and Lux in their house are barking. What? What is it, boy? Hmm? He's down there sniffing where Lucky just used the bathroom. I mean, the animals crack me up doing that. Marking their territory or trail or whatever. Trying to keep up with him. I hope I ain't getting too far ahead of him. Oh, Lucky dog. My buddy. No, I guess not. You didn't look at him. He loves outside. Don't you? American flag blowing in the wind. Got two of them. If it ain't the other one ain't blowed off the fence. There it is. That sounds like roofers I hear down there a pecking. Like they're nailing shingles or something. I hear it too. Earlier when Lucky was barking down the fence line there, I heard it's like a hammer drill or something. What are you doing, boy? Get out of them bushes. It looks like it's like this for Thanksgiving to be nice. Checking it out. I tell you, I ain't bragging on them cause they're my mom's dogs or anything, but they're good little boys. One time must be on this bush. You want a treat, Lucky? Huh? Yeah, I got your attention, didn't it? You want a treat? You want a treat? You done? You heard treat, you come up, didn't you? We been eating grass, huh? We're gonna get Lucky by the tail. He gets right there and gets that, well, there and under this rose bush where he was at a minute ago. He gets that grass and chews it. I don't know if he's getting hair out of his mouth or, I know animals do that stuff, I don't know. I've heard they do it when they're sick, but he's alright. He's just like chewing grass. Poor little boy, he'd eat anything. You can tell he ain't missed no meal. Chubby. Lucky, I thought you was ready to go in. You want your treat? No, changed his mind, I guess. Wander off. Glare on that screen hard for me to keep up with him every now and then. What about you, Tiny? Yeah, that's roofers. I hear them down there pecking. It's gotta be. Somebody getting new shingles put on or something, I guess. Got the big American flag up down there at the, I think that's at the car lot. Across the highway down there, across the Bristol Highway. I like to watch it blow in the wind like that. Just makes it like, well, guy off the car lot speaker there, I hear him talking. It's just peaceful watching that flag blow in the wind. I lost him, there he is. You want to sit there and pick a minute and scratch, ain't you, bud? Checking everything out, buddy. Huh? The life of Lucky and Tiny. I took a picture of them the other night laying there on the bed. Like they was like back to back, and I put a text or whatever on the picture I made. It said Lucky and Tiny Security Company. Sent it to my mom. I'll put it in here I think I still got it. I should have. I'll put it in here when I make this video for y'all. Yeah, mainly I wanted to make this one, let everybody know I appreciate each and every one of y'all, and for watching the videos. I know y'all like watching them. That's the reason I thought, well, I'll get them out here and let them play around and talk to y'all a little bit. I appreciate each and every one of y'all subscribing to the channel. I'm thankful for the ones that's been here for a while. I'm thankful for the new people that's come in, and I just really appreciate it. Appreciate the thoughts and the kind words from everybody, and I know a lot of you ask about my mom a lot. Sorry I moved that quick. I was trying to go back to Tiny. But I know y'all ask about her a lot too, and I appreciate that. It's really nice of y'all. She's doing okay. She just, like I said, she's napping right now where she worked last night. I think she's off the couple of days. She done it just to have a couple of things to do to get out of the house a little more, and to help them too. But I'm gonna get them in, and I'll talk to y'all later. Tiny, you ready to go? Want your treat? You getting the suntan? Ready? Let's go. Your eyes are watering. My eyes watering. I get in the sun too sometimes. Come on, buddy. We'll be back. I wonder where you went. The FedEx truck up there, I don't know how loud that is. Probably drowning me out. Lucky? Want your treat? Oh, he's watching that truck and them people. He don't pay no attention to me. Yeah, like I was saying there before I cut that clip off, I appreciate y'all and hope each and every one of you have a happy Thanksgiving. Hope the weather's good for y'all and everything. Come on, Lucky. I'm gonna get them in and give them the treat and catch you back in the next little part. Oh no! Oh no, you got it. Oh no, you got it. Come on, let me have it. Let me have it. Arrgh. Give me that. Let me have it. Let me have it. I got it. Can't pull too hard on you, hard. Come on, boy, let me have it. Huh? Arrgh, arrgh. He's tough, little pulling on me pretty good. Lucky said, I'm out of here. Heck with this, y'all crazy. Come on. Every now and then they'll play with it, but Lucky just don't mess with toys. Let me have it. When I let go of it, he'll take it back in there in the hallway and hide from me. Most of the time. More. See? He gone. Hello again, Lucky. How you doing, boy? I'm going to hide from you. Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Oh, there it is. You gonna get it? That's the place to use the bathroom, I guess. Yep. Yeah. He's going outside. I guess we'll play with Lucky here a minute. The neighbors had their dogs out for a minute, so I took Tiny out the front for a minute on the leash. He don't like it at first, but putting it on him makes him nervous because he ain't used to it. I guess he thinks he's going to the vet or something. But he's alright too. Neighbor got that bow in her tree. I think that's the tree that's got the lights in it I was trying to get last night. Miss Sullivan over where that tree's at. That's like the second house down from my mom's. She put that out in memory of her husband after he passed. Guess they're both using the bathroom now. Where they went? I don't know, birds or nothing out. Hardly like we did the other day. There's a red bird. I'll catch him before he takes off. I'm wiggling around. I can't hardly do it. Trying to catch him before he takes off. I find the tree again. Moved up a little bit. Got that glare on behind me. It's hard for me to see him. Anyway, what's Shorty doing? Big boy. What are you doing, Lucky? Huh? Just roaming around. Red bird again. I missed him again. No, he's still sitting up there. Find him. There you go, get a little closer. Oh, I'm wiggling. Need my tripod again. There you go. Boys down. Get your toy. Get your toy, Tiny. Get your toy. Get your toy, like, or Tiny. Go get it. It's up there behind you where Lucky's at. Go get it. Big boy. Lucky laying there kind of in the dark there, you can't hardly see. Turn that light on, it might work, I don't know. Yeah, a little bit. Hey, Lucky. What you doing? Can't see you, boy. He's there, though. There we get a little better. Lay his head down. Lucky. What you doing? Ain't paying no attention to him. Resting, ain't you, buddy? Alrighty then. And a piece of candy? A piece of chicken? Cow pie? Some cow tail? Some bubble gum? No, something to wake him up. Did you hear that car go by? Booger. Love you, buddy. You're big in here now. What you doing, boy? Hey. Run down there and play or something instead of barking at Sarge. Hush, Lucky. He's barking at Sarge. Sarge is barking there through the window. And if anybody don't know, Sarge is a bulldog. He's in one of my videos, I think. Him and her little dog, Lux. Lux is a little Shih Tzu. I can't remember which one of my videos it's in, or they're in, but Lucky and Sarge don't get along too good through the fence. That's the reason I kind of kindly watch letting them out together, because he's come under that fence once or over it or something and come over here a couple of times. My mom had to run him back over. You doing sneaking up behind me? Huh? You done? I've just been recording them today and messing around out here with my camera. Finally got that little Sony Camcorder, finally. No, not finally, but like it was somebody's fault finally. It was my fault. I just finally found one's what I'm trying to say. Sorry. That girl I got it from, she was real nice. It wasn't nothing to do with her, because when I said I finally got it, I meant that I finally found the one that I wanted and liked. That's what I meant to say. But it wasn't nothing to do with the girl that I got it from, because she was nice, gave me a good deal on it and everything. That's a pear tree, by the way, when it's bloomed out. I was just looking to see if there's any more of them red birds up there. They come in it a lot. I got that picture at one earlier, a video piece of it. I don't know where they went to, around the fence or something. There's Lucky going down through there. I don't know if I get him under the rail of the porch there. Like to say, it's about time for them deer to come through. That's the reason I come out here with them again. Yeah, he's heard something or seen something. Anyway, I'll turn this back on in a second when they come back up through here. I've just been talking to y'all today and chit-chatting and letting the dogs play. I just messing around. It's mostly been them in this video where, but I just want to talk to y'all because I know it's close to Thanksgiving, being it's tomorrow, and just want each and every one of you to know that I appreciate you and hope you have a great Thanksgiving with your family and friends and everyone. There you go. A racetrack down on the Bristol Highway. It sounds like I lost you, Lucky. Sorry. Got ahead of me. I'm used to filming with my phone, and take me a day or two to get used to moving around with this camera. I like it though. It fits right in the palm of your hand. I told that girl, I said, it's the smallest. I could put that in my shirt pocket. Tiny, what are you doing? Checking everything out, ain't you, buddy? I love that little dog. He's something else. Oh, something behind me or going up a road. What is it, man? You want to check it out? Well, I said I love. Here comes Lucky coming up. Back him up. He'll be there in a minute. You'll see him. Get out of the bushes. Yeah, they're both something else. I love them both, though. Lucky, he was my stepdad's buddy. Him and Earl was, my stepdad's name was Earl, and him and my stepdad Earl was buddies. Which Tiny hung with him too, though, don't get me wrong. Lucky, let's go get a treat. Let's go. But I'm gonna get them back in, and I'll catch you back in the next piece of the video. Bye now. Good afternoon, everybody, or morning right now, I guess. Say happy Thanksgiving to everybody. I'm out here at my mom's. I brought the dogs out for a minute, let them use the bathroom and stuff. Hope everybody's having a good day and has a happy Thanksgiving and enjoys the day. Hope y'all get plenty of turkey or ham or whatever you may be fixing for dinner or lunch or supper. Like I said, I was out here with my mom and Tiny and Lucky. They was outside earlier, and the neighbor's dog Sarge come over here and got over here in the yard and got Lucky down and wrestled him around, and they didn't hurt him or anything. He just had him down on the ground, but he's all right. Everything's okay, I reckon. But just want to say happy Thanksgiving to everybody from me and my mom and Tiny and Lucky and our family to each and every one of y'all, and hope y'all have a blessed day. God bless y'all. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye now. Hey everybody. I was wanting to make this little part of the video, that little camcorder we got made most of this video with, that I'm going to upload in a little while. I bought it off of Facebook Marketplace from this girl, and I'm going to put her information up here in case y'all ever happen to see anything on Facebook Marketplace. If you use Facebook Marketplace, you might run across her. She might have something you want for sale or trade or something or other. So I'll put her name and picture up here in a little while. And I appreciate everything she done. She was a real nice person, met up on time and all that stuff. Everything went well, and I'm really satisfied with the camera. I appreciate her very much. I about forgot to say her name. It's Heather Norris from Kingsport, Tennessee. Like I said, you know, I don't know how many of y'all use Facebook Messenger or Marketplace, but you might see something on there you want there. And just wanted to, I told her I'd give her a shout out in one of my first videos that I used the camera in. So this little clip here is from my phone, but most of the video that I'm going to upload is from the camcorder, though. It's a Sony Camcorder, Sony Camcorder, sorry about that. Sorry, camcorder. Oh, I can't say nothing today. Sony Camcorder. Looking at the boxes sitting here on the floor. DCR SX85. Sorry. Finally got that spit out. But she was real nice, like I said, and she was on time. Made me a fair price on it, and I really appreciate it. And hope y'all have a good one. God bless y'all. I'll put that picture and her profile picture up in a little clip in the video. That way you know kind of what to look for if y'all ever look through Facebook Marketplace for anything. Have a good one. Bye now. Hey everybody, I guess you can see me. I'm about sitting here in the dark now. I need to turn the light on there. I was getting ready to upload that video, and my mom was wanting to say Happy Thanksgiving to everybody before I got it uploaded.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I hope you've had a wonderful day. And have a good evening. Be safe. Bye.
But I just wanted to let her say Happy Thanksgiving, because I know y'all ask about her and get to talk to her every now and then. She'll say hi or something in the videos there. But anyway, I'm going to get that little bit of a video uploaded, and I hope y'all are having a good Thanksgiving day. And hope you enjoy the video, and God bless y'all. I'll talk to you later. Bye now.
That's all for now, little ones.